Hello everyone. Today I will tell you Apple MacBook Pro A1297 motherboard PPDC in underscore G3S supply flowing. This one is a circuit diagram. You can see another name, schematic diagram. Here you can search DC in. This one 63 page DC in. Now I enter page number 63 and enter. Now you can see this one is a DC jack. DC jack J6900. In physical shape on the motherboard, this one is a DC jack. You can see a DC jack. And board view, I will tell you where is DC jack. This one is a DC jack J6900 5-pin connector. You can see in physical shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-pin connector. Now this DC jack supply flowing in this way, PPDC in underscore G3H, the name of VIN supply. How we identify which one supply this one motherboard operate? You can see here 18.5 voltage this one motherboard is operate. Now PPDC in underscore G3S supply going to here. You can see red mark lining. This adapter supply came here, and PP bus G3S supply, this one is a VIN supply coming from battery. I will put there PP bus G3S and search. You can see this coming from battery. You can see here PP VBAT underscore G3S connector. I am already put their name and search. You can see this one is a battery connector. This is a battery positive supply B plus 12 volt. You can see here, and search. This one came to this one diode, and physical shape I will show you in motherboard. This one is a DC battery connector, and this supply connect with this MOSFET. This MOSFET in diagram, this one MOSFET Q7055. This one is a Q7055 MOSFET. From battery B plus supply going to all VIN section when motherboard work in battery mode. In the board view, you can see this one is a battery connector, and this one 3-pin supply connect with this MOSFET Q7055. Q7055 MOSFET is this. From here, battery supply going to all VIN section in the motherboard. This supply, battery supply flowing in this MOSFET, connect with MOSFET and flow the in this way. This MOSFET diode work in diode mode and flowing this way and going to the another section. you can see PV bus G3H, all B plus battery supply going to all V-in section when motherboard work in battery mode. This is all V-in supply of battery. Now whenever we will not using the battery or we will work on the adapter mode, this one supply going to the section for the G3 hot. About G3 hot section, you can buy my videos. Now I will tell you right now DC in section. This one is a Apple 1297 motherboard, another part number motherboard, DC in section. You can see supply going through this supply. This one motherboard operate with 18.5 adapter voltage. This PP18V5 DC in supply came here. You can see adapter supply came here, and this one is a battery V-in. Same I am already told you. Now I will tell you another DC in section. You can see this one is a DC jack, adapter voltage flowing in this way with through the fuse and connect with the MOSFET source. And how MOSFET will work, you can see when this 16 voltage going with this two resistor with the help of GINA diode, gate will operate low voltage and this supply cross source to drain, means cross the supply, means MOSFET switching, and this one is a adapter voltage here, and this one is a battery V-in voltage. This is a DC section of the motherboard of Apple. Apple DC in section easy rather than desktop laptop motherboard. About another video of MacBook, contact us. Thanks everyone.